How to apply a preset effect in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and select the clip you want to add an effect to in the timeline. Next, click on the Effects tab. Look for the preset effect you want to apply. Kdenlive offers many presets like color correction, blur, glow, and more. Click on the preset effect and drag it onto the clip in the timeline. Then, it will automatically be applied to your selected clip. You can customize the effect settings in the Properties panel to better suit your video's style and mood. Preview the clip in the playback window to see the changes in real time. When you are happy with the effect, continue editing or export your project. And that's it. Now you know how to apply a preset effect in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.